Does your brake pedal feel softer than before? It might not be your brake pad, it could be your brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point. Fresh DOT4 brake fluid boils at around 230 degrees, but contaminated fluid can drop to 160 degrees or even lower. During hard braking, the moisture can turn into vapor, creating bubbles inside the system. The result? A soft, spongy brake pedal and reduced braking performance. That's why brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers. Instead of the old two-person bleeding method, many workshops now use the AUTOOL AST603 pulsating brake fluid bleeder. Its adjustable pulsating pressure helps remove old fluids, contaminants and trapped air more effectively. Just connect it, start the process and let the machine do the work. Fresh fluid in, old fluid out. Faster, cleaner and more efficient, because when it comes to braking, safety should never be compromised.